In this video, I will show you how to rotate an image within Freeform. I will explain how to do this on your MacBook as well as on your iPhone. So let's get started. First, on your MacBook, you need to select the image, and as you can see, once you selected the image, you will see 4 dots. But when you move around with those dots, and you move your mouse, you can mirror the image, but you cannot select the image, or at least not rotate the image. Now, this is actually very easy to fix, and the only thing you need to do is you need to hold down Command. So hold down the Command key and then rotate the image. As you can see, that is how you can rotate the image. But when you hold down Shift, you can, rotate the image by 45 degrees, which looks a bit better in my opinion. Yeah, a bit more symmetrical, I think. So that is how you can rotate images on your MacBook, but on your iPhone this is also very simple. Of course, once you know how to do it, once you get the trick done, it is very simple. And the only thing you need to do is you need to tap with 2 fingers on the image, and then you can move the image around, and then you can rotate the image very easily. So that is how you can rotate images within Freeform. I hope this video was helpful, and if this was the case, please consider subscribing to the channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.